iFit Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get fitness apps wrong by assuming they're all the same. iFit in 2025 offers a comprehensive approach to exercise and wellness, but is it really worth your time and money? iFit provides interactive workouts, live classes, and personalized training programs. The surprising truth is its global studio experience. You won't believe what happens next when your treadmill, bike or rowing machine synchronizes with scenic routes from around the world, making your workout feel like a real adventure. Another major benefit is integration. Most people get this wrong by overlooking compatibility. iFit connects seamlessly with smart fitness equipment and wearable devices, tracking progress, heart rate, and calories burned accurately. However, there are downsides. Subscription can be pricey, especially if you're only interested in occasional workouts. Some users report that certain classes require high-speed internet for smooth streaming, which may limit usability at home. In conclusion, iFit is ideal for those seeking variety, interactive training, and motivation in their fitness journey. If you actively use the membership and explore its features, it can transform workouts into engaging and measurable experiences in 2025. Casual users may still enjoy basic features, but the full potential comes with consistent participation.